Hello everybody, hey y'all. So it is snowing in Florida for the first time. Wait, let me chop it out. Let's see if he'll use the bathroom this time. Come on, Coop. He didn't like it when it first started, but let's see. Let's see how he did. Let me flip the camera to show y'all. It is snowing. Well, it snowed already. I don't know if y'all can see for real, but I have an icicle on my roof, like falling off my roof. But yeah, this is my backyard. It snowed like the entire night, and everybody outside playing in the snow. I'm trying to get him to use the bathroom since yesterday. He has to poop and he's been holding it in. So let's see, maybe he'll realize that, you know, there's no grass. But yeah, this is how it looks. I have on all these layers because I'm about to go in the front yard and play. But yeah, let me show y'all. I didn't think you could see for real. I wasn't ready to step in it. Ooh, hold on. But yeah, it's really snowing in Florida. Oh, it really snowed in Florida. Isn't that crazy? The lighting out here is terrible. Yeah, this. Oh wow, y'all, look at the top of my roof. Like, let me try to zoom in. My entire roof is covered in ice. It's frozen. Like, but yeah, y'all, this is crazy. I think the last time it snowed was do it again. The last time it snowed in Florida was probably like in Tallahassee, 2017, 2018. He don't see it.
You'll find it. He knows over there, so you're gonna go looking for it.
Over here throwing treats to my kid. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I'm not getting it for you. Where you at? Don't run. It's like he like it, but he don't. Oh my gosh, y'all! Like it really snowed. Like that's wild. Whew. I'm gonna try. Well, I recorded on my camera, but this isn't gonna last. But I'm gonna record on my phone a little bit to include some fun little clips of me playing in the snow for the first time. Well, second time technically, because the first time was last night. But yeah, let's go to the front. I did not know it was. Yeah. All right, I'm recording. Y'all, look at my front yard. This is wild. This is actually wild. I don't care about my hair. I care about this $1,400 camera. All right, this is wild. Like, it's really like snowing. It really snowed, but it's hard now. Like, it's not like that's wild. This wild. Like, look at the floor. Like, you can't even see nothing. This is wild. I'm gonna meet my neighbors for the first time. You hear me? I'm gonna meet a lot of my neighbors for the first time. But yeah, this is wild. Like, this is wild. It was much softer last night. This is wild. Like, everybody's just outside playing, walking around. Like, this is wild. Like, it really snowed in Florida. But I'm gonna get some videos on my phone and I'm gonna insert those in there because I don't know, camera ain't really cutting it right now. I want to have fun, and I don't want to worry about dropping this camera. So we're gonna switch y'all over to the phone. Why you didn't laugh?
Oh, you know?
I don't know where they went. Look at this. This is crazy. This is my mommy's car. Like, y'all, this is wild. It really snowed in Florida. I mean, you can't see nothing. But this is actually crazy. Like, look at my roof. It's frozen. Look at the floor. It's disgusting. Listen. My first snowball. Isn't that crazy? First snowball. So my whole name. Ah! Fucked up. What's my? Why you don't know my whole name, nigga?
Give me some old Parker, please.
That's not it. What was gonna be my potential name?
Tania?
What else?
What else?
What else? I lied.
God, I was like, I was like, what the hell was you? What else?
Okay, I got one more question. What's my mom's full name?
Oh, isn't it Joey Sasha Doug Coleman?
Oh, you're wrong.
What is it?
Sinasha, nigga.
Okay, I was close. I was close.
I know. I know you was gonna get that shit off. I knew you was gonna get that shit off. Oh, it's because it's the edge. I couldn't see it.
Hey. Almost ran into the door again.
Stop, because you actually do it. Come. Come on. Come. Chocolate, come on. Come on. Go. Like, this is actually crazy. It's really snowing. Snowing.